Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is an update from IIT Indore for the PhD admissions in the EE department and even in all the departments. So when I'm talking about here the Indian Institute of Technology Indore, IIT Indore, Department of Electrical Engineering, they are going to take the admission in the PhD, but the PhD seats will be the L&T sponsored. Okay, you can see they are taking admission for the 24 and 25. Okay, how to apply, we will talk about this one also in the detail, but last date to apply is the May 19. Shortlisting information will be updated on the May 22. Written test and interview conducted between 10th to 11th June, it is mentioned here. If I will talk about who can apply, so who can apply here? Master's, bachelor's degree in the electrical engineering or any relevant stream of engineering technology with the first division can apply here. So this is not only for the EE, this PhD scheme which is sponsored by the L&T is for all the branches students. Okay, so admission under FA. So this is the FA category. I will show you about what are the categories they are having. So kindly refer to the main PhD page. So I will show you that PhD page also. Now department highlights, they are showing you why IIT Indore. So the reason is ranked 14th in the NIRF vibrant campus hostel accommodation. So most of the features you are having here. If I will come to the next thing here, so this is the detail. If we will talk about the detail what they are having here, so let's talk about Indian Institute of Technology advertisement for the admission to the PhD program. So if a student wants to go through the PhD in few streams or in few seats or few vacancies they are having, they are writing or they are wanting the GET scorecard also. Otherwise without GET means with the written test or interview also they are having option. So let's have a look here. So when I'm coming to the categories, the first is the FA. FA is the fellowship awardee. Fellowship awardee from the funding agencies such as CSIR, UGC, NBHM, DST or JRF, SRF project staff working in a sponsor research project under a faculty member. Okay. Then they are having TA also, teaching assistantship. SW also sponsored without institute scholarship. IS also institute staff, defense forest college teacher. So they are having some categories. So here you can apply in any of the category. Now this is for Indian students and this is for the international students. Now applicants under IS, DF, SW and CT categories are required to send following. So these details are required. But if I am talking about the FA, that is the fellowship awardee, so there is no requirement for the GET scorecard. Directly on the basis of written test they can take you. So let's talk about here. So Department of Engineering, which features they are, you can just click on this one and you can go to the actual portal also, online portal also. Now if I will talk about the branches, so the first is the computer science and engineering. Minimum education qualification is master's degree. Okay, in the required, definitely. Electrical engineering, mechanical engineering is applicable here. Civil engineering, meteorology engineering, bioscience and astronomy is also available. So first is the master's degree, second is 4-year bachelor degree or 5-year integrated degree and valid GET qualification. So if you want to go with the BTech and Masters, means if you want to go with the BTech plus GET scorecard, then directly you can take the admission in the PhD. If you are a MTech student or master's degree you are having, then there is no need of the GET scorecard. It is clearly mentioned here. Okay, so it's mentioned GET is not compulsory for the DF, IS, CT and SW categories as I show you. Okay, now this is the important thing, as the dates are mentioned here for each and every branch wise. You can see. Now if I will talk about computer science and engineering, if you want to check you can click here. The detailed advertisement will be open for Indian applicants. The date is the 10th May. If I will click suppose this one, this will be open here. So you can just see the each and every detail what they are required, what is the requirement, what they are asking. You can see May 10 they are having the last date of the online application through this one. Okay, shortlisting of candidate for written test, it will be on the 13th May and the written test, okay, they will inform you 25th, and the written test will be June 5. So for each and every branch wise you can check it out. The details here, everything is mentioned, how to apply, what to do, important points to note. So you can check each and every detail according to your branch also. And here you can see the dates also. So if you want to apply for the electrical engineering, then the date is the 19th, mechanical engineering 13th May, civil engineering already completed. Okay, and so now they are having computer science, electrical and mechanical is available. Civil is already done because the last date was 30th April here. Okay, so other than this, they are having vacancies for the Department of Science also, physics, chemistry, maths, it is showing on. So if you want to apply here for the PhD, this is a good opportunity where you will get the sponsorship from the L&T company, okay, where you will explore yourself in the good campus of IIT Indore. So just go for the official website of IIT Indore. Here this is the detail. You can just go for the official website. You can just click on the portal. This is the portal, and you can just check each and every detail. Alright guys, stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye.